I feel like if I put layers in it, it's gonna give it some shape. I'm gonna cut my curly wig, but let's get it wet first. I need a big ass towel. Biggest fear is that once I'm done, it's just gonna look crazy. All right, I got this side wet. I was wondering if I should just do this side and then do this side. You know what? Get this side out of the way. We'll get back to it later. Let me separate the front from the back. Oh my God. All right, now we have a diagonal line. I'm gonna find the shortest layer. My shortest layer is right here. So I'm gonna take a horizontal section like this. You see how this is like a horizontal part? Do you see that? Let's make it shorter. Open and close as you cut. Take this section and clip it out of the way. Well, I've never done this before, so if it comes out right, you can save this video, rewatch it, send it to a friend, and keep it for your reference. Let's find the shortest layer again. Now it's right here. Open that up like that. It's still going from short to long, but it's too long. Let's make it shorter. All the way down the slanted line. Pin this out of the way. 1, 2 sections down. Now my shortest layer is down here, almost at my collarbone. Holding the hair in between these two fingers. Cut and pin that section away as well. Now we got 1, 2, 3 sections. Bring the 4th section out of the way. 4 sections down. Do this 5 times and you should be good. Now for the reveal, I'm scared. Oh my God. All right, I'm a little nervous, but I kind of feel like it's gonna look good. Let's bring the back to the front. I feel like if we comb it out and then bring it forward, cut this in a slanted line. I hate it when people say a 90-degree angle, a 45-degree angle. I'm not gonna even tell you to do it based off of an angle because I don't even understand that myself. So I'm just gonna say, instead of going straight, tilt it. Like point it to the floor. Cut into a slant. And I'm gonna bring it forward, hold it in my fist, and I'm gonna do a butterfly cut. Cut it across, a point tip cut inside the hair like this. When you turn your head like this, if everything's going from short to long, you did it. I'm gonna do the other side on camera because it's the harder side, but this time you gotta go to part 2. I'm sorry.